Welcome back to Cash Flow Chronicles. Remember this quote: there are only two things in life, excuses or results. I know this video will be super insightful and beneficial to those who want to make money seemingly effortlessly with this new AI technology, which is undoubtedly a significant way to be successful in the future. Using ChatGPT to make money online requires creativity, innovation, and an understanding of how to leverage the capabilities of the technology. Here are 10 different ways to utilize ChatGPT for generating income, each explained in detail. 1. Content creation and blogging. ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality blog posts and articles for various niches. You can create a blog or website focusing on topics you are passionate about or that have a high demand in the market. Once your blog is set up, use ChatGPT to generate well-researched and engaging content. Make sure to edit and refine the output to match your writing style and tone. Monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or by selling digital products and services related to your niche. Steps: research. Identify a profitable niche and target audience. Set up blog. Choose a domain name, hosting, and set up a user-friendly website. Generate content. Use ChatGPT to create informative and engaging articles. Monetize. Implement monetization strategies like ads, affiliate marketing, or selling products, services. 2. Virtual assistant and customer support. ChatGPT can be employed as a virtual assistant or customer support agent. Many businesses are outsourcing their customer support to AI-driven solutions. You can offer customer support services to businesses using ChatGPT, managing inquiries and providing automated but personalized responses. Steps: skills development. Familiarize yourself with common customer support queries and how to resolve them. Create a website. Build a professional website showcasing your services and expertise. Market your services. Utilize social media and freelancing platforms to advertise your virtual assistant services. Communication. Communicate with clients, understand their needs, and set up ChatGPT for their specific requirements. 3. Online tutoring and education. Use ChatGPT to create interactive and personalized learning experiences. Develop online courses or tutoring sessions in subjects you are knowledgeable about. ChatGPT can assist in generating course materials, quizzes, and interactive content to enhance the learning experience. Steps: expertise. Identify your expertise and the subjects you can teach effectively. Platform. Choose an online learning platform or create your website to host courses. Content creation. Develop course materials and interactive lessons with the help of ChatGPT. Marketing. Promote your courses through social media, online ads, and educational forums. 4. Creative writing and storytelling. If you have a talent for storytelling, use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Create plot lines or even co-write stories with the AI. Self-publish your works as ebooks or audiobooks, or offer ghostwriting services to authors and bloggers. Steps: idea generation. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm story ideas and develop unique concepts. Writing collaboration. Collaborate with ChatGPT to create chapters or sections of the story. Editing. Edit and refine the output to ensure coherence and consistency in the narrative. Publishing. Self-publish your works on platforms like Amazon Kindle or offer ghostwriting services to clients. 5. Chatbot development. Create intelligent chatbots for businesses and websites using ChatGPT. Many companies seek customized chatbot solutions to enhance user experience and customer engagement. You can offer chatbot development services, integrating ChatGPT's capabilities into these bots. Steps: learn programming. Familiarize yourself with chatbot development platforms and programming languages, for example, Python. Customization. Customize ChatGPT's responses to align with the client's brand and requirements. Testing. Test the chatbot thoroughly to ensure it functions seamlessly and provides valuable interactions. Deployment. Deploy the chatbot on the client's website or chosen platform. Since we are halfway through the video, I'd like to share a brief suggestion. Remember that ethical considerations and user privacy are paramount when utilizing AI for commercial purposes. Always be transparent about the use of AI in your services and respect user confidentiality. Additionally, staying updated with the latest developments in AI technology and continuously improving your skills will help you stay competitive in the online marketplace. Since you made it this far, you have an intriguing IQ. and on your way to making money in your near future, might as well go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss any more relevant money-making techniques I reveal in the future. Now here are the remaining 5 ways to make money with AI ChatGPT. 6. Social media management and marketing. Offer social media management services to businesses and individuals. Use ChatGPT to draft engaging social media posts, create content calendars, and respond to comments and messages. Businesses are willing to pay for effective social media presence and engagement, which ChatGPT can assist in maintaining. Steps: understanding social media. Learn about different social media platforms and their algorithms. Content creation. Use ChatGPT to create catchy captions, informative posts, and engaging content. Client interaction. Engage with clients to understand their brand voice and goals. Analytics. Track social media metrics and provide regular performance reports to clients. 7. Language translation and localization. Utilize ChatGPT for language translation and localization services. Translate documents, websites, and content for individuals and businesses looking to expand their reach to non-English speaking markets. ChatGPT can assist in generating accurate translations quickly. Steps: language proficiency. Have a strong understanding of at least 2 languages. Translation tools. Use ChatGPT alongside professional translation tools for accuracy. Specialization. Consider specializing in specific industries, such as legal or technical translations. Quality assurance. Review and edit the translations to ensure accuracy and cultural relevance. 8. Market research and data analysis. Provide market research services to businesses by utilizing ChatGPT to gather and analyze data. Businesses often require insights into market trends, customer preferences, and competitor analysis. ChatGPT can assist in collecting and summarizing this data. Steps: research skills. Develop strong research skills to find relevant data sources. Data analysis tools. Use ChatGPT for data analysis and visualization. Report creation. Compile the research findings into detailed reports and actionable insights. Client consultation. Present the findings to clients and offer recommendations based on the research. 9. Resume and cover letter writing. Assist job seekers in crafting compelling resumes and cover letters. ChatGPT can help generate customized templates and suggestions for different job positions, enhancing the chances of landing interviews. Steps: job market understanding. Stay updated on industry-specific requirements and trends. Client consultation. Understand the client's skills, experiences, and career goals. Personalization. Use ChatGPT to generate personalized resumes and cover letters. Editing. Review and refine the documents to ensure clarity and professionalism. 10. Language learning and tutoring. Create language learning materials and offer tutoring services to language learners. ChatGPT can assist in generating grammar exercises, vocabulary lists, and conversational prompts. Additionally, it can simulate conversations for language learners to practice with. Steps: language proficiency. Be proficient in the language you are teaching. Curriculum development. Use ChatGPT to create lesson plans and learning materials. Interactive sessions. Conduct interactive tutoring sessions using ChatGPT's conversation simulations. Feedback. Provide constructive feedback to learners and track their progress. Remember, building a reputation and delivering high-quality services are crucial for success in any of these ventures. Providing value to your clients and continuously improving your skills will help you establish a profitable online business using ChatGPT. Making money online with ChatGPT is like having a virtual money-making genie in your computer. With its magical powers of creativity and wit, you can turn your ideas into gold and your dreams into dollars. So why wait for a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow when you can create your own with just a keyboard and a clever AI friend? Start typing your way to wealth and giggles today. After all, in the world of ChatGPT, the only limit is your imagination and maybe your Wi-Fi speed. Once again, we here at Cashflow Chronicles appreciate your impressive attention span. We know without a doubt, we've given you more than enough value in this video to apply after this and make a favorable outcome. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you won't miss any more money-making value videos. Matter of fact, go on ahead. Click and watch another one of our videos that serve your keen sense of knowledge. It's guaranteed to bring you just as much, if not more impactful information to take your life in the positive direction.